So I'm recording this video for the guidance about being in a relationship. I remember that I have watched one video when the two pastor, the guidance of in the relationship, they have made a discussion and they said that when a girl being in a relationship with a boy as a girlfriend and boyfriend, before enter into the physical or sexual relationship, they must ask, she must ask a boy that whether he can provide her like maintenance, whether he can provide her or not after those things. But the main thing is that there is no need to influence the woman to be in that way. It is not the right way to guide the youth, the upcoming generation. For me, the right way is that ask the girl, guide the girl to protect herself, set a boundary in a relationship, both for the boy and the girl. Set a boundary, because according to my understanding, they are in a relationship as a girlfriend and boyfriend. It's the only thing that they have to understand their capability, that whether they are capable enough to bear themselves through the whole life or not. That is not necessary about a sexual relationship. Instead of influencing them about that being before coming out into physical or sexual relationship, at least guide them in the right way, that let's get grow, develop, get rich together, and then enter in the stage. That is the right way to guide the youth. It is not. Do not pressurize the boy or do not influence the girl to ask such kind of question to a boy, that whether he can provide him or her or not. It's not a good thing. For my understanding, it's only pressurize the boy. The main thing is that just have to guide the girl or a boy being in a relationship as girlfriend and boyfriend. They have to set a boundary and do not enter in the stage of physical or sexual relationship. It's not a good thing, because those things is Holy Spirit. You can enjoy it after we become rich, grow together and become rich, and then enter in the stage, enter to do stage. Because being in sexual relationship, it is a gift of God. It is a Holy Spirit. After doing those things, you will get a gift from the God, the gift that husband and wife deserve, but not a girlfriend and boyfriends. So remember that. Instead of pressurizing the boy by influencing girl to ask such kind of question that whether he can provide her or not, at least try to guide that how they have to be in a relationship and the boundaries to be in a relationship. And remember, if you ask me a question that when they are in a relationship, they are fully in love, how they can control about physical or sexual desire, the thing is that when they can remember, when they can control by putting protection or condom before having a physical or sexual relationship, why not this? Why cannot control about the sexual desire? It is simple as that. They can control. It's the only thing that they don't want to control about it. Maybe it is wrong from the boy's side or wrong from the girl's side. But the only thing is that the main thing I want to discuss is do not pressurize the boy or do not influence the girl in the wrong way. At least in a relationship with girlfriend and boyfriends, remember that being in a relationship as a girlfriend and boyfriend is only that you can check your capability, that whether you can bear each other to the whole your life long or not. But it's not necessary about physical or sexual desire to be filled up in those things. Just those things, it come up with the stages of being in a relationship. When you are husband and wife, then only enjoy those things, because at that time you will remember that you are at a stage, you are capable enough to provide for family. Because in a relationship, when you are husband and wife, it is not necessary that only boy will provide for a family. Girl also, she can provide for family. God, He bless us with same thing as boy have and girl have. He provide both the two leg, two hand and ear, brain, everything that is similarity. The only thing is that we have to use it and grow together, develop together, and can reach together. Then enjoy your happy and build up your family, happy family life. Thank you, and if you appreciate this video, share it and learn about how to maintain your relationship for a happy family.